Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. We got E here.
Morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
Our trades are looking incredible. First off, you guys can see below we have PayPal, GE, Abbott, Walmart, Netflix. Did you tell them in the trade room we're live?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Great. Let me see. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to be taking care of PayPal. The things that are expiring this week: PayPal, Abbott, Walmart, Netflix. Let's get rid of those. Abbott has earnings, as you can see here, on Thursday. So that one, if you wanted to hold on to it, you can. We're going to have $90 as our first target. PayPal, I really think PayPal is going to get up to about 115 here. So keep an eye on that. Hold on one second.
Minute.
One minute, guys. I'm just doing something here.
I like that.
Now look, I want to. Good morning, Avilio. Good morning, guys. Just had an issue. E, how much are we up today to start the day?
2,300.
2,300.
Nice.
All right, first, guys, Walmart's taking off big time here. Let's start locking in some profits. Our GE trades up nicely. Let's see. Abbott trades up 35%. That's a quick 400 bucks. I'm gonna lock in profits. You know, profits are profits. Let's see. Let's see if we could get 3.00. E-Trade Pro's giving me some issues here this morning. All right, just sold 3.03. Abbott, 3.03. Let's see, what else do we want to get rid of? Nice gain on Walmart. We're up 63% on Walmart. Let's sell Walmart. We'll sell that at 2.65. That one's still open. Order status. Let's see, that's live. Let me change that here. I'll go down to 2.55. That's the lowest she needs to go. Walmart is, I should sell at 255 here. What is it at? 250 by 255. Wow, Tesla's over $700 now. All right, so we just sold Walmart at 255. 255. We sold Walmart. On Netflix, let's see here. Let's see what Netflix is doing. Now, see, look, this is what I mean. Look at here, quick. Didn't work. No.
It expired.
Yeah, message him. Sick of those. Sick of those issues. Netflix closed out Netflix at 7.80. Get those out, text alerts quick. Nice. We've locked in a lot of gains already, and we're still up. How much gains did we lock in? Realize there $1,122.49.
Yeah, it's.
And what do we have unrealized still?
Unrealized 1,600. Not bad for 4 minutes.
Not bad for 4 minutes. About $3,000 altogether.
Hey, where's that? Where's that hater that was?
Yeah, where's that guy yesterday? Oh, how did Dave's trades do? Oh, yesterday we had a profit. Today we just locked in a couple grand. We are having a heck of a day, guys.
GE's up a little too.
Yep. Hey, United Health's having a huge day today too, guys. Let's take a look at UNH.
Share report tomorrow.
Yep. Work on those alerts. I'll get this. UNH, look at that. 270. Our spread's at max net gains as long as we stay here or higher. That's going to be a nice setup there. We're already up $500 on the UNH. We could probably close that out if we want to. I'll hold that open though. We sold this morning at we sold at the highs so far, right around the highs. So looking good there. UNH is still breaking higher here. We're now up 2,100 unrealized and $1,122.49 realized. Let me get E-Trade up here and show you guys what we did today so far. PayPal's starting to break out again. I like that. That's going to be a nice trade for going into May Monthly Expo. We might even do a trade on that for May Monthly. Take a look how it's retracing down to the... It didn't even get down to the 10. And now we're getting that confirmed bounce there and looking to run higher here. So I'm expecting PayPal to get up to around $110 today. There she goes again. She's starting to climb. Excuse me. I may pick up some more options here for the May Expo on PayPal, but looking great, guys. Incredible day today so far. Let's see. Our PayPal trade is up significantly, up 86% today. I'm just going to let this continue to run. The only one we didn't close out yet is for PayPal. I still have that one open right here. Walmart's still on the run. I'm watching Walmart above there. Let's take a look at Abbott and Walmart. Here is Abbott. Let's change this to a today 1 minute. Look at Abbott starting to climb again. Nice big breakout on Abbott Labs here. Our GE trade's in the green. United Health is in the green. Nice setup today. There goes Abbott Labs again. PayPal's starting to climb here as well. Already up 2.4%. NASDAQ is up. How much is that up now? NASDAQ's up, or I'm sorry, Dow is up 530 points. NASDAQ's up 198. Dow's up 530. S&P's up 60. Nice day today, guys. Up over $2,000 unrealized, up over $1,000, up over $1,100 realized. There goes Abbott taking off again, guys. I think Abbott's really gonna break out today. I think we're looking at $90 today on Abbott.
G7 minister and governors will continue to consider further near-term actions to stabilize the global economy. CRNX, Furnace Technologies, files for offering up to 10.9 million shares of common stock. That's kind of on November actually CRNX.
What's today's date? The 14th. Alrighty, guys. So here's what we did so far today. Abbott, we sold at 3.03.
28%. 28% on Abbott, 17% on Netflix.
Walmart, 2 point. Wow, we got in Walmart at 159, sold at 255. That's a nice gain.
Nice. It's huge.
PayPal's still on the run. Look at that. Isn't that nice? We made some nice profits there.
Overnight, too.
President Trump tweeted
Abbott and Netflix were late afternoon. You got to tune in to our afternoon session.
Yeah. Nice job today, guys. You guys lock in some nice profits today so far? I'd like to know.
Send those updates.
Nice profits already, guys. First, not even 5 minutes of the day, we locked those in. We still have more that's unrealized as well, so remember that. And take a look here. Total realized gain. And now, let's see. 3.03, divide that by 2.18. 39%. What are you up to?
Just looking at
7.8. Divide that by 6.65. That's a 17.3. I need the 0.3. Mayor de Blasio speaking, guys.
him and Cuomo are
They're clashing.
Yeah.
And on the Walmart trade, we made a 60% gain. Nice profit so far today, guys. Beautifully done.
Well done.
Resume. Wow, we're up even much higher now. Now that I logged back in. There goes PayPal and Abbott again. PayPal's at the highs of the day. And we're still holding on to our PayPal trade. Our PayPal trade's now in the green. There she goes. There goes PayPal, guys. PayPal's ripping higher. Look at the today, 1 minute. Now our PayPal trade's in the green. Wow, look at our GE trades up a quick 3%.
Nice.
250 bucks. PayPal trade. These are the ones we're going to be selling today. Let's see, there's that one. Anything else? No. PayPal, I'm just watching this contract here continue to run. Right now it's worth $1.62. This is the call that we have. We have the 110 strike call for April 17th. It's at $1.66 now. Just going to continue watching this run. This is just a chart of the price for the April 17th 110 strike call. So looking good there. Love it.
Shares of Tesla now up almost 12%. TSLA.
Look, look. No one could get in. GE trades now up almost 4%. Now look at what they're saying. Bob, I think you know the sound's not dead. I put it on mute at times, okay? There goes PayPal again, continuing to climb. I want to lock in profits on PayPal shortly here, but we're only up about 125% today on it. Up 7% overall. Locked in already, a nice profit. Looking for a PayPal. I'm probably going to lock in profits on PayPal right around 110. Watching PayPal still hold above that 10. Looking for another trade. Yeah, guys, I'm working on the trade room right now. We have an issue. Our developer's working on that right now for the trade room. So we're live. The live video's still working here. I'm just setting up this trade room here. I guess WordPress decided to do a refresh and update on the platform at a horrible time here. So sorry for that. It will be fixed in a minute or two. Guys, we're up now 8% on PayPal, 130% today. Guys, I think I'm going to take profits now on PayPal. We're getting up to 110. Looking good. We got over $100 gain. I'm just going to sell this, let this one go.
PayPal, nice.
All right, I got an order in for $1.70. It's at $1.64 by $1.70 now. I'm going to change that quick. I'll go down to $1.65 maybe. Let's see, she's starting to climb again there. A little bit. PayPal's pulling back a little bit here. Back down to that 10. All right, I sold PayPal at 155.
Director of Therapeutics, June $5 poster, standing right man of the heckler, Director of Therapeutics, SRNE.
There we go. I just updated that for you guys there. Perfect. Now our GE trades up 3%. I have a $150 profit on GE. I could take that, lock that in if I wanted to, but that's for the 2022 Expo. I see GE climbing much higher. It's up over 2% today, almost at 720. Taking a look at the 6-month daily here on GE. We can see we got a nice climb coming. 750 is going to be short-term resistance, $8, and then after 8, we're looking at 10. So there's the 3 areas of resistance you have to watch for with GE. If you're still holding GE like I am, 750 is the first one. We get a candle above 750, I'm going to be easily looking for 8. We break through 8, $10 should be easily doable by the end of this year, in my opinion. GE is a great company. They got new leadership, and really looking forward to that. Let's see, our United Healthcare trade still on the run. UNH, look at that, 271. We could actually close out our vertical bull call spread we have on UNH if we wanted to. Let's see what we could lock in if we wanted to do that. UNH. We're going to look at the spread here. Buy to close, sell to close. Let's just see what we could do. We have 10 contracts for the April 17th. We got this as a paycheck trade, I believe, wasn't it? Didn't I mention that? Buy to close the 270 and the 267.50. So let's see net credit. Let's see if we could get $1.75. What did we pay for it? Let me see. 10.97 minus 9.67. So we paid $1.30 for it. If we sold it for $1.80, let's see, 1.8, divide that by 1.3. That'd be a 38.5% gain. I'll put in an order for $1.85, see if that fills throughout the day here. She pulled back to $1.60, but that didn't fill. It's there though. UNH is looking great. I still think that's going to have a nice climb. You know what? I'd rather just lock in those profits on it. Let's see, 160. Let's see if we could get 160 for it. Still going to be a nice gain. That way we could exit out of that. Pending. Live. Still there. Didn't get execute yet.
You're still in your
What?
May 15th call, right?
For what?
For UNH.
UNH, yeah, May 15th. We're up 25% on it today. Almost in the green on that one. There goes PayPal holding that 20, looking like it wants to climb there as well. Look at that, nice climb there on PayPal. There goes UNH as well. That UNH should execute this order here. If we get up to around 271, that'll probably execute. Sorry for that sound quality, guy in the background. Come on, UNH, keep that run going. Let me see Diamond up above. Diamond and the Qs here are starting to have a nice run. Dow's up already over 600. Looking great.
Nice.
I still have those shares of OPK. If you guys remember, we picked those up a while ago. I'm up 11% on it today. Stock's really breaking higher here. Take a look at OPK. We got a big MACD cross. 1020 crosses coming up. PayPal's on the run over here. PayPal's having another nice breakout. Let's see what UNH is doing if that one's on the climb here as well. And just remember what we did already today. $1,122 profit. PayPal's on the breakout again, guys. That breaks above 109.57. She's going to run towards $100. And that's a quick day trade we could take advantage of if you're interested. Nice day today. Those trades that you see in the bottom here, these are the trades that we made in the afternoon session yesterday. So if you're not a pro trader, get signed up. There goes PayPal, guys. 109.57, 109.59. And continuing to run there. 109.62. UNH is back over 270. There goes UNH. This is probably going to be filling soon. I'd say right around 271, that spread here should fill, lock in those profits, move on. I might just even cancel that and let that continue to run because, yeah, max gains above 270. It's only Tuesday. I think this is going to continue higher. If we take a look at the 3-month daily here, you can definitely see here's a 1020 cross, first candle above the 1020-50 SMA on a daily chart. We're going to have resistance right around 290, which is another 20-point climb. 20-point climb, where it's at here, that's going to be about a 7% climb from where it's at to where we need to go. So I still feel about another 7% climb in the underlying stock. The underlying equity is coming on United Health. So 270, 290 is going to be a target. But with our UNH, we have the May 15th Expo. So that 270 strike should make us a really nice profit over the coming weeks. There goes PayPal breaking out again. Look for that big breakout coming now with PayPal. Let's see. Riley Berg says resistance on Qs is at 218-ish on a 3-month daily, correct? Well, let's take a look at Qs. So if we're looking at Qs, we're looking at a 3-month daily. We could see we have some resistance right at around 219, 220. So I'm expecting that to continue to run up to about 219, 220. On Qs. Guys, remember yesterday in our live video in the afternoon, or it might have been in the morning, on one of the videos, either the morning or the afternoon, I said, guys, we're breaking above. I see a big day coming tomorrow. Do you guys remember that yesterday? Do you guys remember me saying that in the video? Dr. Rebar says Baba's on the move. Let's take a look at Baba. But see, this is why I'm still expecting another big run here in the market. I think we're going to have a big run, and I think we're going to easily get back up to 220. So if we're expecting the Qs to continue to run, that's going to be our tech sector. I'm going to be looking at our tech stocks. You know, we're going to be looking at Facebook. We're going to be looking, Facebook's having an incredible day today, up almost at 180. Dr. Rebar says, let's take a look at Baba. Baba's having a big breakout. I could see 210 as short-term resistance. After that, we're looking at 215 and 225. Those are the two targets. So, Doc, if you're looking to get in Baba, that's what I would do. I'd get a call for maybe the June Expo, May or June Expo, and I'd be looking at 215 to 225 as your target profit area. and that's a big climb there if you get some options, some calls for the May monthly expo. May or June I'd go with. Not bad.
Nice. What's up, Doc?
PayPal still looking good, holding that 1020. Let's see. Any other questions from you guys on the YouTube chat here? Mr. Elephant says trade room is working now. Let me see.
Citron research on GSX. GSX could support 2011 Chinese RTO 4.
Alrighty, guys, the trade room is working now, so feel free to get in that trade room.
Revenues from fabricated stocks to get halted and investigated. That from Citron research now. That's Golf Sandy X-ray.
I want to get out of the rest of these trades here. We're in so many trades. I want to lock in these profits. GE Trade's doing really well.
Shares GSX now 30.28, almost 29.49 again. Citron negative on GSX, as I say, China, Ford, worse than looking coffee, LKE, that's GSX.
RCL still having a big climb here. Let's take a look at the cruise lines. Look at the cruise lines, guys. RCL's up 15% today in the underlying equity. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily.
Wow.
Not bad. $50 target resistance short term. That's still a big climb there, so that's definitely something we could look into and put on our watch list. Walmart launching pickup hour for people most at risk for coronavirus.
Oh, wow. So the back door, huh?
I guess so. CCL puts coming in. CCL puts coming in. Bank of America. We got calls coming in on Bank of America. Let's take a look again at BAC and JP Morgan.
BAC reports tomorrow.
That's probably going to have another pop. Bank of America is a great long-term trade in my opinion. I like this as a couple months. What's that?
Yeah, see that.
Yeah, right at around 27.50.
And close to 50.
Yep, close to the 50. That's going to continue to drop down here, but this looks like that's going to have a nice run. Breaks at 27.50. We'll be looking at $30 quick. I mean, and remember, this is a $36 stock just a couple months ago, so it's at a bargain right now. And this is something if you wanted a long term, you know, look for a year, 2 years out, and then look back up to that 35 as your target, and that's a pretty big profit there if you're just going to either jump in shares or you want to get some leaps. There goes PayPal, new highs of the day again there on that candle. Watch for that to run again.
J&J, Julie, November, June expects volumes in areas such as oncology, general surgery to rebound sooner. That's on their conference call, Julie, November, Julia. Donald Trump tweeting out almost been calling daily and hourly begging for everything, most of which should have been the state's responsibility, such as new hospital beds, ventilators, that got it all done for him and everyone else. And now he seems to want to be more independence. That won't happen.
Why, did you hear him? Trump just says, oh, Cuomo said at first he needed all the ventilators, that everything was looking so bad, and now he wants to open up the economy, and that's not going to happen. He wants more control. There goes PayPal again, guys. New highs of the day on PayPal. Up almost 3.5%. There we go, 3.5%. 109.66. 109.70, up 3.51%.
Hey, I'm here.
He's here.
I had to shut down the other.
He didn't turn off his mic. I love it.
There goes PayPal, still on the run. 109.75.
Mo says take a look at AMRN.
Alright, let's see. Mo wants me to look at AMRN. Did you play that yesterday for earnings? I know a few of you in the trade room were looking at Amrin for earnings.
Waka Flocka did.
Waka Flocka got in?
Yeah.
Hey, good morning, Azaria. Good morning, JS Buyer. Paula, good morning, guys. Wow, did you see what Matt got in PayPal at? That's some. He got in at 64,
Oh,
sold
yes,
at $1.70.
Yes.
That is a, let's see, 1.7 divide that by 0.64.
Triple.
That's that's 166% gain.
Triple is.
Wow. Almost tripled. There goes PayPal. Look at PayPal, 110. Just broke 110.
Broke that little resistance. Going
Yep.
too high.
She's going to break out. I'm telling you, PayPal is looking like she's going to get up to 115. No doubt about it. No doubt. I might be making another PayPal trade. I remember some people in the trade room were trading Square. Square's looking good too. Nice climb on Square. Square's struggling with resistance right around 65. PayPal's still climbing. I think I'm going to jump in some more PayPal options, guys. We locked in PayPal. Probably going to do something more here. I should pick up a vertical call spread for this week's Expo on PayPal. Make it a paycheck trade, you know. Yes, we're still in UNH. Our UNH trade is doing incredibly well.
The call, not the
What's that?
still in the spread.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Why?
You have an order to sell.
We have an order to sell. It didn't execute on the
Okay.
spread. Good. I might just hold that open. I'd rather get the max gains than just a 40% gain, you know?
Yeah.
Diamond's breaking out. Diamond's breaking above that 1020 SMA, breaking the resistance for the day on a today 1 minute chart. Our General Electric trade we made yesterday is doing really great. We made a $6,000 trade on that yesterday. There goes PayPal breaking above 110 again. She's climbing 110.10. Let's see. I'm going to make a trade on PayPal. I'm going to go with the May 15th monthly expo here. May 15th monthly. I'm going to pick up the 110 strike. Or you know what? I could do the 115. That's relatively cheap. I think that's going to continue to run here. I'm going to pick up the 115 strike call. We're going to pay. Let's see if we can get in that for about $1 or $3.65. I'll pick up 10 contracts. That's going to be a $3,650 trade. I'll jump in for a 3.60. Let's see if I could jump in there. There we go. That executed. I'm in 10 contracts. PayPal May 15th. 115 strike. And we're in at 360 a contract. 3.60. And we have a target of 115. That's where we're going to take profits. Now, just because we have the 115 strike, that doesn't. We're gonna make a nice profit there if that gets up to that 115 in the next week or two. So we're gonna take profits right at around 115. Our stop is going to be a candle below 105. Mackenzie Ford said she didn't get in JP Morgan yesterday. Should she get in now? Now, let's take a look. JP Morgan, JPM. That's a good question, Mackenzie. So here is the target on JP Morgan. If you got the May 15th 105 strike at 550, that's looking good. You could jump into that. But it might retrace a little bit here. We're in consolidation, so I'm not going to trade the banks just yet. Wait, let's take a look at Bank of America now. BAC. Still, consolidation box. You're looking for a break below 24 or a break above 24.90. So, nice targets there. Let's see. Rodriguez said they got in PayPal at $3.50. Nice. So you already got a profit on that. I'm already up 2% on the PayPal trade. Quick $50. Look at JS Buyer. They said they just sold their PayPal May 110s and made a $1,039 profit. That is nice. Take a look here, guys. Look at here. JS Buyer just sold the PayPal May calls 110, made $1,039. Look at what look at Matt Jones. He got in the PayPal trade the April 17th 110 calls for 64 cents, sold it for $1.70. 1.7, divide that by 0.64. That's 166% gain. He says, thanks, Breaking Chart Alerts. He made 166% gain. That's amazing. Great job, Matt Jones. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Well done. Guys, if you want to come join us in the trade room or in our live classes in the afternoon, here's where our live classes are in the afternoon. You could come here and sign up. Sorry, guys, I was on mute there. I was saying live trading video and classes. If you guys are interested, it's scheduled every day, 2 p.m. if you're a pro trader. And then here's our videos from yesterday. You could go there, see what we traded yesterday. Those are the trades we locked in today for nice profits. And again, we're going to be live. It's going to start broadcasting at 2 p.m. So if you guys want to go there, trade alerts page, these are when we send our email alerts out. These go right to your email. So if you're a pro trader, these are being sent right to your email. You could open them up, you could check them out, and take a look there.
Don't miss out on afternoon sessions. You're getting good trades there.
And then, of course, the live trade room. So, if you guys need to come join us, click join now. You can go down to the professional trader 12-month yearly, 2,000. Use promo code stimulus. That'll take 25% off. It'll be $1,500 for the year. That's going to be ending this week. Stimulus will be ending. And you can put it right here, STIMLUS. And you can check out with PayPal or Stripe, whatever you prefer. And the professional trader will give you text alerts, email alerts, daily newsletter, access to breaking chart alerts, trade alerts tab, trade challenge tab, free trader assessment, live afternoon video trading, access to the live trade room, access to live trading videos, the classes, and trade recaps. So if you want to come join us, you could go there, come join us. I'm going to look for another trade now to make. And you guys see, you know, you got to be patient. You got to be disciplined, you know. You don't jump every moment. The ones that are like, Dave, let's go, let's make a trade. We just locked in a couple $1,000, you know. Relax, look for that next setup. You know, you see the markets are pulling back. We reached the high. If we were still breaking out, we'd be trading nonstop. Eli Lilly has a new 52-week high, 147.90. We see some puts and calls coming in on Apple down below there. Looks like they're doing a straddle. Or a strangle, I should say. Let's see, Wix. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on an American Express, lowers target to 117. Let's take a look at AXP. Brian, there was news. Brian asked a good question in the trade room. He says, Dave, how did you know to get into Netflix yesterday? After it had such a long run, I would have not chased it myself. Well, let's take a look there at Netflix. Oh, Netflix is still breaking higher. Man, I could have made much more on that Netflix trade. Anyway, if you take a look here, that candle there is representing a big run coming. You know, you got a candle that's quadruple the size of the previous candles. That's telling you that there's a lot of volume. That's telling you there's a lot of volume coming in. It broke that 390 resistance. I'm expecting this to continue to run up to 425, 420, 425. I think that's going to have a big run, you know, and also you're seeing how it correlates with our trade plan. Here it is crossing above the 10-day simple moving average on a 3-month daily chart. It broke above it, and then you can see we have the 1020 cross coming up. We already had the MACD that crossed right here, and it continued. It broke out. It retraced back down to about that 10. Broke out again, retraced down to that 10. It broke out, retraced into the 10. 380 was acting as short-term resistance. It broke that 380, and then it was breaking through that 390 resistance from March 4th. It broke through that. When I saw that yesterday along with the news, I said, you know what? They got upgraded as well. The quarantine's here. Everyone's home. A lot of people are buying Netflix now. It's cheap. So I expect subscriptions to rise and Netflix to continue to run there. And like I said, 420 is going to be the short-term target around the next week or two for Netflix. Vince said he locked in a $550 profit on Netflix this morning. Nice job, Vince.
Also with Netflix, they signed with that news that you were mentioning, the comic book. You know, since Marvel pulled all of their shows into Disney Plus.
Absolutely.
Big jump.
Abbott is still looking good too. I was still thinking about making another trade going into earnings on Abbott. Thinking about it. UNH is having another run. Let's take a look at UNH. Look at that run on UNH. 272. What a climb. I think I'm going to cancel that spread. I think we're going to have max gains on that.
UNH.
Let's see. Orders status. Let's see here. I'm going to change this. It's at 155 now. That's going to be selling soon if I don't take care of this. Let's see. 175. That's where I'd feel more comfortable selling it. You know what? Maybe I'll do 190. UNH is still on the run at near the highs of the day on UNH. Chung Ho says AbbVie's moving. Let's take a look at AbbVie. That's looking really good there, AbbVie. Following the trade plan. Guys, market is turning around. Those people on TV saying, oh, market's heading lower. I don't see that happening. The charts right now are showing we're having a bullish run here and a strong bullish run. So I'm expecting that run to continue here. When I do see a shift coming, I'll say, hey, looks like we're going to break down here. We might have a reversal. We might be entering BDM. We catch these phases and cycles. You know, it's perfect with our trade plan, how we could watch for these reversals here. UNH trades almost in the green for the calls. The spreads at max net gains. Got a nice profit on those. Let's see here. ABT having a good run into earnings. Yes, high ball. Vince, did you get in any of the other trades yesterday with us? You said you locked in a $550 profit on Netflix this morning. Did you get in any of those other trades with us or just that one? Down 7% on the PayPal trade we just made. I'm okay with that though. PayPal looks fine. Looks good. Now if that 110 acted as resistance, I'll be out of that. The PayPal trade's May 15th. It's over a month until Expo, so I'm not worried what that does today. You got to look at the cycle, guys, you know. See the cycle? We're still in breakout momentum cycle. Now, if it retraces down to that 10 at around 100, I might add to it there if we get that confirmed bounce. Or if we see it consolidate back down to about 106, 107, and then start to run again, I'll add to that position as well. But now if you take a look here, you could tell that a reversal is coming for the day here. Take a look at the today 1 minute on Diamond ETF. We could see that if we drop below 239.60, you better believe that we're probably going to drop down to the next support level. So keep an eye on that with the Diamond ETF. You can look at the same thing with the Qs, the SPY. Fiaco said he also made a profit on Walmart and PayPal, along with Netflix. Great job. Great job, Vince. Guys, we only have 29 likes. We locked in profits. We did great. Could you please give the video a like? Subscribe to our YouTube channel? I'd really appreciate that, guys. Look at that breakdown coming here on the Diamond ETF. There's that 10 crossing below that 20. So I'm expecting a little bit of profit taking coming in the markets now. We might drop down to about 238. And notice how we're able to call that a couple of minutes ago, right when we're near the highs of the day. That's with our trade plan, guys. And you have to understand how our trade plan works. You know, I've been doing this for over a decade, so I've been really familiar with the trade plan. If you're new to trading or you're new to us and you need to get familiar with the trade plan, watch the video or take a class. Our classes are booked though for a while, so if you're going to be looking for a class, it's probably going to be at least 2 weeks out. Let's see. Chung Ho says, Dave, what do you think of CLX, which is Clorox? Do you think it can hit 200? Let's take a look. CLX. Oh my God. Clorox looks like that's going to hit 200 at 210. No question in my mind. And I think people are always going to continue to use Clorox here going forward. Let's see. When do they come out with earnings? Let's see your calendar. CLX. They have earnings coming up May 1st. So I'm going to do something and get the May 15th expo on Clorox. I like that chart. I think that's a great setup there. I'm going to make a small trade, though, because you see how much it's broken out here over the past few days. So small to start with, and I'll add to that trade as we go. So let's take a look at the Clorox option chain. Let's take a look at CLX. And let's look at the May 15th. We'll see that Clorox at 200 strike is only going for about $4. That's dirt cheap there. I'm going to pick that up. That should actually be a trade challenge trade, but if it wasn't that big of a breakout, I'd jump in. So let's see here. I'm going to get 5 contracts for now. I'm going to pick them up at, let's see if we could get them at 450. Nope, that's live. Let's change that. We'll see if we can get it at 470. There we go. We're in Clorox. We got the May 15th 200 strike at 470. We're going to have a target of 200 on there. Stop is going to be, let's say 185. Candle below 185. Now the Clorox trade I'm probably going to add to if it breaks 195. If it breaks 195, I'll add another contract, another 5 contracts. We're in for about 2,400 right now. I'd like to make that about a $5,000 trade. I mean, they're not going to, I mean, Clorox, they're sold out at the stores. Do you think they're going to come on and say, hey, it's been a tough quarter for us? No way. And it really hasn't risen that much from the start of the outbreak. I mean, when the outbreak started, middle of what, February? The outbreak really started, or March?
It really broke out in March.
So look at February 27th, we're at it around 170. It's at 193 now. You know, I mean, that looks like that's really going to have a big break. See this candle right here? See that big candle on 317? March 17th, it looks like we're going to have some more bigger candles like that coming up and reach that 205 to 210 really quick. Now take a look at the diamond ETF. Remember we were talking about that when it had the 1020 cross right up here. And we were even talking about a little bit earlier right here on this candle at 1025. If you zoom back, rewind this video, you'll see I was saying, guys, look at diamond here. It looks like we're going to have a reversal. Those were my exact words. I said, guys, it looks like a reversal's coming. And that was the first candle below the 1020 SMA here at 1025. We were able to say that because it's following our trade plan. Now it's in BDM. It broke below that 10-20-50. We had the 10 crossing below the 20. We have the 10 crossing below the 50. Now, how long is this going to last? We don't know. But she just came down to support right at 239. So we'll see if it fails at that 10 and heads lower. If it heads lower, we'll be looking at 238 as the next support area. If it breaks above that 10, we're going to be looking at 240 as the next resistance area. That's really important. You replay that last 30 seconds there over and over, because that is the most important educational point of these videos, knowing the trade plan. And if you know that trade plan, you're able to look and say, hey, it looks like a reversal is coming right near the highs of the day. We called that near the highs of the day. And then at 240.50 all the way down to 2, that's a 150 point drop in the Dow. So 150 point drop from the highs that we called earlier just by following our trade plan. Now here she is, a candle above the 10. Now let's see if she can break 240. And that's perfect area there for getting out of your trades, because you had a little bit of a retracement there in the other stocks as well. So that was a nice opportunity, if you saw that, to lock in profits on any day trades you have or anything that's expiring this week. And then you could re-enter if you still feel bullish once you get that cross and entering breakout momentum. So guys, if you're liking the videos, please give this a thumbs up, please. Alrighty guys, I just added the new trade on Clorox onto the video here screen, so you could see that where it says April 14th current trades made yesterday. We closed out those trades. We sold out of everything you see there. That's why watching this is so important. You guys could see down here. You could see down here our current trades. We closed out of PayPal. We closed out of Abbott. We closed out of Walmart. We closed out of Netflix. We made a new trade on Clorox. And that is pretty much going to do it for the day for us here. I'm going to go and look at the rest of the website now. And I want to get all that straightened out, because I'm sick and tired of having these same problems every day. And things are going to change today. So I will get that taken care of. And come join us for the afternoon session, guys. So if you have any questions, our Clorox trade's already up 4%. Quick $100 on the Clorox trade already for those of you that got in. PayPal's down about 13%. The PayPal trade we just got in. Oh, I did make a second PayPal trade. Let me add that here as well. Alrighty, there we go, guys. You can see that down below now. You can see we have the 2 trades made today. Clorox May 15th 200 strike call at 470. You can see my mouse in the background there. And then we have the PayPal May 15th 115 call at 360. And the Clorox trade's already up about 4%. Diamond's still breaking lower, but it's not breaking below 239. If it breaks below 239, like I said, it's going to continue lower, and I'd look at 238 as the next support for the Dow, for the Diamond ETF. If it starts breaking out, see, notice this. Zoom in here. Zoom in close. Notice this. It's staying below that 10. When it comes back up, it's reaching up to the 10, failing that resistance, heading lower. Getting up to that 10, no green candle, no body above that 10, heading lower. But now you can see you have some nice consolidation right around 239. It hasn't been breaking below 239. So that's why we're looking at that 239 as the next support area. It breaks below that, big candle below that. Like I said, 238. Here she comes. Let's see if it continues. Look at that drop now. Exactly as we've been calling it. Exactly. And that's following our trade plan, guys. So I need to get off now. It's almost closing time here for our morning session. If you guys want to sign up, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Sign up for that Pro Trader membership. If you sign up for the yearly membership for Pro Trader, use promo code STIMULUS. That'll save you 25% off. Instead of $2,000 for the year, it'll only be $1,500. That includes classes. It includes text alerts, email alerts, trade challenge, trade room, and everything else we have to offer. So if you want to sign up for that, get over there, sign up for that. If you have questions for us, you can message us at Breaking Chart Alerts on Facebook, and or you could go to our website, Breaking Chart Alerts, and you could go and click on the Talk to Us, Support, or click on the Facebook icon and message us there. Alrighty, guys, Clorox is still on the run, still looking good there, and PayPal is starting to climb here a little bit. Watching that, so nice trading day today, guys. We're locked in a couple $1,000 and looking forward to the rest of the week here. So we'll be live again at 2 p.m. I'm going to be in the trade room right now, and I'm also going to be working on some issues here. So take care, guys, and I will see you. Our ticker symbols are right there. You see the ticker symbols, CLX and DIA. You don't need to know the names. If I do that, you're going to see my personal info at top there, and I don't want to show that. That's why I have the banners across the top. I know, yeah, only 60 likes, guys. Give this video a thumbs up here if you're enjoying these videos. Please, that means a lot to me. We're locking in some nice profits on air, making great trades. Please do that for me. I appreciate it. Guys, have a great day. I'll see you guys in the trade room. Our Clorox trade's now up 5% and still running. Looking good. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you in the trade room, and I'll see you guys live at 2 p.m. If any questions, message us in the trade room, and I will talk to you guys then. Take care, guys. God bless, and see you at 2, and see you in the trade room. Bye-bye.